A single lightning bolt can toast 100,000 slices of bread, unleashing nature's raw power in a blink. Imagine the sheer energy packed in that electrifying flash, enough to power a small town for an instant. As it streaks across the sky, the bolt's voltage can reach up to 1 billion volts, heating the air around it to 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. This extraordinary phenomenon is a reminder of the incredible forces at play in our atmosphere, a dazzling display of electricity that can illuminate the sky and electrify our imagination. It's a humbling testament to the untamed power of nature, a spectacle that transforms the mundane into the marvelous with a single, sizzling strike. Next time you see a storm brewing, think of the cosmic toast-making energy crackling above, a natural wonder that sparks both awe and curiosity.